Welcome to Advent Coworking's Podcasting 101. This video today is essentially podcasting for non-technical folks and just a quick start guide to what the heck is all this stuff and how do you make a podcast. In the highest sense, you talk into this microphone, your voice gets transferred into this soundboard where you can modify how it sounds, all this good stuff, the volume, how much treble bass you want to adjust. From there, your voice gets spit into this recorder where everything is then recorded onto an SD card. When you're all done recording with your voice, you pop out the SD card, put it into a computer, where then from there you can post it online or edit it further and do whatever you want. And essentially you just get an MP3 file. And that is a podcast. So from here, we're going to go to this real quick. You turn the board on, you turn the recorder on, you take your SD card, put it in the side of the recorder, and then you wait about 5 seconds for the recorder to load, and then you're ready to start podcasting. So at this point, what we're going to do is press the record button once. And if you notice, the red button is flashing, and the top left-hand corner of the recorder is the pause symbol, and these numbers are not moving anywhere. That means the recorder is armed, but not recording anything. From here, what we're going to do is if you press the record button again, now, if you notice, the numbers are moving, the button in the top left-hand corner is a solid circle. We are actually recording, and this is live. So I am talking into the microphone and recording my voice as we speak onto the SD card inside that recorder. When I'm all done, I'm going to press the stop button. Give it a second. It created a file, and that essentially is the podcast. Okay, when the podcast is finished, you just press in to eject the SD card, and then from there, you put it into your computer and wait for it to load up and find the file that you recorded to. I plugged the SD card into my computer and I found the file, and I'm going to double click it and listen to it and just hear how it sounds. Now, if you notice, the numbers are moving, the button in the top left hand corner is... So the podcast audio file works. Congratulations. What I'd recommend doing is do a test recording and test it in your computer before you go and interview anyone or actually do a full-blown half an hour to an hour podcast to make sure that the sound is exactly where you want it to be.